Hey guys, so we're in the room, we're getting ready to go do muster, and so what I have here is my phone. I'm going to show you exactly how to connect to the Hub app. Get your phone connected to, or get it set up for airplane mode, connect to the Carnival, the ship Wi-Fi, and then watch the video, play the sound that you're supposed to play, and then you're going to go along with us to go do muster. So let's show you real quick how to get this set up. Open your iPhone or Android device and go to Settings and turn on Airplane Mode. Then connect to the Carnival Wi-Fi network for the ship you are on. Open up the Carnival Hub app and you should see the Welcome Aboard screen. Click I am ready. Enter your folio number and birth date and click Log In. Once logged in, you can click the Passenger Mustering tab. It will show you your mustering station as well as the time remaining to complete it. Click the Watch Video button and watch the brief safety video. Once the safety video is complete, click the Play Sound button below the Emergency Signal section, and once this is done, you can move on to your assigned muster station to complete the in-person portion.
This is your life jacket. You can put this on in case of real emergency. And in case of real emergency, you cannot reach your cabin. We also have spare life jackets in embarkation station and here in your master station. Okay? So it's just very, very easy. You can place it all over top of your head. You have this light that will automatically activate it once you're in contact with the water. You also have this whistle and reflective patches so you can get spotted in the darkness. Okay? Okay. So, you can pass this strap all the way around to your waist, buckle it up, this one as well. Exit strap will be tucked in. Okay, I think that's very, very quick. You can go now. Thank you.